Hello, I'm Alex from Fontaine Motors, picking gaps in the rain to show you around our Audi S4 Avant BT67TLN. This is actually my third attempt to do this video, having got halfway through twice and then been rained on, but I shall try again to give you a look around the car. I'll then show and talk you around one panel and one interior area at a time. I will highlight imperfections, marks, that sort of thing. As we go around, I'll show you a few key features, extras on the car too, but if you would like a detailed look at specification or service history, you'll find both of those broken down in full in the main body text of the advert. So, a little general look around from the front there. I'll go in a bit closer now. Navarra blue metallic paint on this, which presents very well, but if you look on the front end you can see there are some small stone chips, with anything of note having been neatly touched in. Moving to the front bumper, which is also Navarra blue and also presents very nicely. Factory gloss black styling pack on this car. Plastics on the front end, nice and bright, present very well. Minor stone chipping, yeah. Grill looks nice. Going in close there. There's nothing in terms of scuffs or scrapes. It really is just, as I say, minor chipping. We've got a little nick there of maybe 1 centimetre being touched in. And moving to the near side. Just moving the phone around so you can watch reflections and see that alignment is nice. Paint looks great, no dents. Intervention. Near side front wheel there. Red brake calipers on this car. Continental Sport Contact 7 tyre. That's brand new, just been replaced. No marked passenger door mirror. Passenger sill looks nice, just with light stone chipping on the leading edge. Near side front door. Also looks very good. Near side front door panel, black leather interior with contrast rock grey stitching, brushed aluminium inlays and Bang & Olufsen speaker upgrade on this car. Super Sport seats as standard with a full diamond quilted leather. They are fully electric with massage function. If I just take this opportunity to go in on the centre console, there are a couple of little scratches on the centre console trim. Near side rear door also looks nice. Again, just picking out a couple of little chips so you can see. Near side rear door panel. Seat back, 3-zone climate control in S4. Rear seats look really good. I'm going to try and speed up a little because I fear the rain's about to come back again. Near side rear wheel there. We do also have replacement rear tyres on the way. They only had 2 in stock, but this is going to shortly to have 4 new Continental Sport Contact 7. The discs on this car I think were also all replaced when we last sold it a couple of years ago, so they still have ample life remaining. Moving round to tailgate and rear bumper, which present really well. I'll go in close now to show you in detail. No scratches around the handle. Only very minor loading marks. Bumper looks good, as do the trims and carpets in the boot, which are showing minimal wear. We do still get a spare wheel with these as well. Moving to the offside of the car. And again, I'll do the same. I'll go down nice and low, you watch the reflections, you'll see what I'm talking about. Paint finish looks good, everything aligns as it should, and I can't see any dents. Offside quarter panel, looking nice. Hang on. Unlock. Oh, I think we've got a sticking fuel door. We will need to address that for you. Could be that it wants a new solenoid. Offside quarter panel, you've got a couple of small chips there that have been neatly touched in, and there is a faint scratch just there, maybe 20 millimeters long, again been neatly touched in. Offside rear wheel, as I say, ignore that, there is a new tyre on the way, so they weren't in stock when I ordered them, just waiting for a couple more to appear. All nice down the driver's side sill. Offside rear door. And door panel. Seat back. Opposite view of the rear seat. Headrests present and correct. View up and over the roof. All looks good up there. Onto the driver's door, which presents really nicely, as does the door mirror, with just, you can see there, that light mark on the lower painted portion that if you've ever watched one of my videos before, you've probably heard me moaning about before. Driver's door panel. You'll see control there for the folding door mirrors and electric tailgate. Flat bottom steering wheel on this car, the leather of which still looks really nice actually. It's feels soft, it's still satin, it's not worn or shiny. And talking of wear, I'll go over the driver's seat slowly, so you can see it in full. There is some light wear on the outer bolster, but it's just that. It's light wear. It's still in good order. Offside front wheel. So that one's already got a fresh pair of Contact Sport 7s just waiting for the rears to arrive. And engine bay. Clean, tidy and standard. It's not a modified car. Details of the included service. So do have a read of the main body text of the advert, where you will find that, as well as all of its service history to date. So we've got virtual cockpit on this car, as you can see. Let's give that a moment just to come down off fast idle. 76,202 miles at the time of filming. Virtual cockpit working as it should, as does MMI display. Lose that glare on the camera. DAB digital radio, multiple music sources. Smartphone interface, that's both of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. European-wide satellite navigation, sensors all round with reversing camera. Oops. Drive select controls there. Extended LED ambient lighting pack that can be any colour you desire, from pinky purple, bright green, whatever you like. You can change the footwells and surfaces individually. As I mentioned, 3-zone climate control in these with heated front seats. Ventilation's kicking in straight away. That smells nice and fresh, as does the interior, and there is no indication that this car's ever had pets or a smoker in. It's a fresh smelling interior. It smells like an Audi. And there we go. I hope you found that video tour to have been helpful. If that's brought any questions to mind, you are more than welcome to ask. Do please reach out. Thanks very much.